Welcome to our video series about knee and hip stretching. Today we're going to start with the knee and we're going to work our way around in different positions. These first couple exercises are using a chair. First stretch for the hamstring. I like to just be comfortable in my chair. Sometimes I slide forward in my chair because the idea is that your leg has to be perfectly straight. You put your foot on an ottoman, a stool, anything. As you reach forward, you feel the stretch behind that knee. You want to hold this for 30 seconds. No bouncing. Just feel it relax and just follow the stretch. And then take a rest. 30-second holds. You're much better off just doing 3 30-second holds for all of these stretches than doing 10 10-second holds. Alright, that's the hamstring. Knee straight. Reach forward. Feel it stretch. Next one is to bend the knee. Get a chair with arms like this. You're going to be putting the weight of your body on your arms and you're going to lean in. As I lean in, look how far I bend my knee without putting my weight through it because the weight's on my arms. This is the best stretch for someone post-surgical when they've had a meniscus repair, a cartilage repair, or total knee replacement. These next few exercises are regarding patella mobilizations. The idea here is that post-surgically your kneecap can be restricted and you need to work on gaining that motion back. Your kneecap travels through here, but in order to do that correctly, you need to make sure your kneecap can move side to side. So what you need to do is just use your thumb pressure. See how you can move your kneecap over like that? Post-surgically, this can be a little restricted. Just make sure you get the motion here back. Same idea, just feel it stretch. In this series we're going to be talking about stretching the hip through standing exercises. We're going to be covering the knee as well. You're always going to want to have some sort of base of support here, something to hold on to, a treadmill, anything. First stretch we're going to talk about is going to be the hip flexors here. Very simple exercise. For the leg you want to stretch, you place it back. And what you're going to do is you're going to lean into it. As you lean into it, you're going to feel the stretch through here. As you move your upper part of your shoulders and backwards, that's going to intensify the stretch. You're going to feel it right through here. Depending on how you shift your foot, if you shift your foot out a little bit and lean in, you're going to feel it in a little different area. So play around with the position of your foot to change this up a little bit. Alright, good. Now you can stretch the inside of your leg by simply, you have your support. This one I'm stretching my right. As I lean to the side, away, feeling it through here. Again, same thing with the foot, change your foot position. You feel it in a little different area. Good. Now to stretch the opposite, which would be the IT band. The previous exercise was the groin. This one would be the IT band. Cross your legs. As you cross your legs, you lean your hip into the stretch while your head goes the opposite way. So from this angle, I'm going to stretch my left here. I cross my leg and then I lean in. As I stretch my head over to the side, I feel the stretch through here. So I'm bent like a banana, but that's the way to stretch the IT band. Keep those legs crossed, feel it through here. Good. Quadriceps. You could do these in a couple different positions. Standing up is great, but just grab your knee and you stretch through here. As you bring the leg back and your shoulders back, you're going to intensify the stretch. You could also get right up to an object and put your knee on that, and that'll intensify the stretch a little bit. Now if you change your foot position here, you can also change the stretch. If I pull my foot out here, I feel a little more, and then I can even grab it with the other hand and do that stretch as well. Different parts of the muscle. This is another way of stretching the quadriceps, lying on your side. Just going to grab your foot here and you're going to bend on back. This gets all four of the quad muscles. As you pull back, you're going to feel that stretch right through the front. If you just want to stretch the knee, you can have the knee forward here a little bit. That will stretch the knee joint through here. You'll be putting more pressure on the quadriceps muscle. You're going to be stretching through here. Cross your legs like this, and you're going to be pulling to shoulder 1, shoulder 2, and then across your body. So, stretch like this, hold for 15 seconds minimum. Relax and feel the muscle stretch. Then come pull over to the second shoulder. Again, 15 seconds minimum. Feel the muscle relax. Shouldn't have a lot of pain with these. And then you can pull across your body like this. And you're going to really feel that here. You can adjust your angle a little bit. You can grab your foot if you want to change a little bit of how it feels. And again, just feel it relax and promote stretching through the muscle. All right, today we're going to be talking about gastroc and soleus stretches. That's right here. You could be using that. The bottom line, when you stretch your gastroc and soleus, is you're going to be bending your ankle like this. So, best way to do it is on the wall. You put your bad leg back. You keep the knee straight. You lean in. Feel the stretch, hold for 30 seconds, and then relax. Heel must stay on the ground. That's very important. Good. Then you take your break. To stretch the soleus, this time you bend the knee in. So you're stretching behind there.